Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 63 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our mates at DeAgostini, folks. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow this link here all the way to the DeAgostini website. Chink. And take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/6 scale die-cast model. You will not be disappointed. Let's have a scoop through the magazine. You've got American fire trucks today. The distinctive look is world famous, which it is, folks. I mean, as soon as you see them, you know what they are, don't you? Look at them. New York's finest there. Absolutely, folks. And yeah, this was from 9/11, very tragic day in history there, folks, and you don't need me to tell you what happened there, but it's all in here. Car radio and a central dashboard dials are going in today, so we got all of this lot today. So we got the rear covers, we got all the little radio unit, all of that going in. So yeah, we've got some fun today, folks, doing a little bit of detailing on the final stages of our dashboard. So that's what we're going to have. This is where it's all going, what it's going to look like, and then obviously we're going to be joining that up to the bottom interior section, so we'll need to grab that as well, folks. Okay, so we've got that to hand. I've got it just below here, so we'll be bringing that in at the end and marrying these two together. And then this is what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. The front section of the dashboard and floors. Nice. We then got Jackie X and Monsieur Le Mans. Very young Jackie X there from the 66 Formula 3 Grand Prix. 6 victories at Le Mans there. Give these magazines a read, folks, because you're going to find out so much information. And then obviously you got Jackie there in the GT40 ahead of Hans Hermann's Porsche in his fight to win the 24-hour race in '69. That's the magazine done. So we'll just flip that out the way and then we'll come back and we'll start a bit of assembly on this dashboard for you, because that's what we want to be getting on and doing, innit? So we want to bring in 63D, which is this section, and we want to be putting our stickers on. So we're going to grab that and that and look at putting these all in place ready for our instruments and our radio. Let's grab our radio, get that in place. It wants to live up here according to that. So let's try and get that in its correct place. So let's grab our tweezers of tweezersness. Get that as near in place as we can. So we're going in somewhere like so. And then we've got this going over the front then. Like that. So that's what we want. Okay. So let's just apply that decal, like so. That's now in situ. And then we can press this in all the way. Like that. And then we'll use our Q-tip to push that fully down. Saves scratching the front then. Don't want to do that. It then says put the radio buttons in, and then we want our front panel. So let's just pop them in place. Like so, that's one. Nice resounding press fit there, folks. And there you go. And then we can press our front panel in. You've got your little cutout going at the bottom there for the buttons to poke through. Line that up like so, and then push that in, and then I'm just going to use my Q-tip to push that fully home. And that gives you a ye olde looking radio unit there. I love it. And then we're going to pop that into the dashboard. We'll do that now. And we'll drop that in with a couple of PS25 screws. So we'll grab that, slide it in place like so. That's simple. And then we can screw that fully home. So let's just grab a PS25 and we'll get that in. Bit of oil on the screws, just like so. That's the first one in. And then we can grab the second one now. And then we just make sure they're nice and tight. Try and tuck that wire in to stop that flapping about for a minute. And that's the radio in. Right, next up, we have got these instruments to go in, folks, okay? So we want to make sure we got these going in the correct way. So we got that, and we got that, like so. And then by powers of deduction, that's going to press in there, like so. So we'll get rid of that nub, and then just make sure that that fits, which it does. And then we can get our gauges on then. So let's get our stickers or stickeredness. So we want this one on this side. Just try and use our tweezers. Like so. They're the same on that one. Just like that. Do that on an out breath cull. There you go. Grab our centre dials, which are just here. And we want to grab our lenses and put those on the back of these with the tip poking up. So we'll get them in situ. Let's try and alleviate my fingerprint off the back there. Use a Q-tip. There you go. And then we'll do the same on that one. Get rid of any smudges and prints. And then we want to sandwich this in there, just like so. And then I'm going to do it face down onto there. Actually, let's do it that way, Carl. And then put that on the top. There you go. And we've now sandwiched those like so. And then we can put that together now and retain that in place with a PS25 screw, one of those. Let's grab that. A little bit of oil. Put them together. Like so. Make sure that's all lined up, which it is. And then we can attach this now to the dashboard with another PS25 screw. Yeah. So let's grab that. 2 PS25 screws in there. Let's pop that in there. A little bit of oil. So we'll do that one first. Then grab that one. Pop that in place. That's now fully home. Just like that. Very sexy. And we should then just have our instrument cluster to go in. So that's what it's telling us. So that's what we're going to do, peeps. And that's going to go in just underneath that radio unit. So we want to spin that round, move wire out of the way, in there like that. Straight into place. And that's going in as well with a PS25, peeps. Let's get that in. Get a bit of oil on it. There you go. So that's that. With the dials underneath. We can now attach this to our front floor section. Let's grab our floor section from before and bring this in. We want to make sure that the sides engage as well in these little sections here. So make sure we've got those engaged, both sides, like that. And then we attach those with the PS screws. Like so. So let's grab one of them. We can then feed our wire out the way. Put a little bit of oil in. Just like that. So move that wire just out the way there for a minute. And then we can go straight in there then. And then the same with this one. Like that. Like that. So that's what we've got. Look at that. And that look nice, eh? Yeah, you know it does. So yeah, we'll give that a store in its protective bag so that we can stop all the dust from forming. But don't forget, folks, if you want to grab this yourself and build along with me, this beautiful, beautiful Shelby GT500, then follow this link all the way to the DeAgostini website, just there. Also, to help me out, click little fester in the corner there. Subscribe to the channel, really helps me grow, folks. Keeps the content coming. Also, ring the notification bell whilst you're there. Ding-a-ling-ling, select all, and you'll get notified of upcoming content. Until then, folks, stay safe and well. Massive thanks for coming in and keeping me company. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.